send off on the pitch with the fans. In the future, to come back to the Camp Nou if there's an opportunity with Laporta who said he would be open to it. With the fans, with the players, would you be open to come back to the pitch to have a... Yeah, but honestly it wouldn't be the same. The moment's now, when it's time to go. Obviously. For these people, I'm available for anything. Honestly, yes.
Mi pregunta es, ¿crees que a ti y a la afición se le dieron falsas esperanzas para continuar?
Do you think the fans were given false hope that you were going to be able to return?
Yes, sir.
Because it wasn't yet clear that you could...
Ok, já vou ver.
False hope? I don't think so. We all...
Aqui falar bocadinho com a malta, com os fãs principalmente, que eles merecem.
Continue.
Uma pincelada.
It was that clear that we got everything ready. Everything was sorted and there wasn't any problems.
Please say see.
I think we were always very honest with people, certainly on my half.
Legend, thank you.
As I said before,
I'm a legend, of course.
it wasn't what we planned, but on my half,
Mateo lleva, tiene 3 meses. 4 meses, perdona.
Era complicado esto, pero no hay que pasar claro. Santi Jiménez del diario. Leo, sé que tengo que sacar un nombre que no ha salido todavía, que es el de Javier Tebas.
Beautiful.
Javier Tebas, no one's mentioned it yet.
Bisous de France.
Involved, and in the end, it's always come about because
Hola. Papacito, mamacita de
what would you say,
Colombia.
Javier Tebas? What would you say if Javier Tebas did anything so you could say?
Brasil, aceito juntos.
I don't know.
Força sempre.
All I know is that because of La Liga, because of the good of the club, because the club didn't want to.
I like your babies. Thank you. Thank you. I'm so glad.
Honestly,
I like them too.
I only met him a couple of times, and the times that I did meet him, we spoke a little bit, and honestly, I have nothing to say to him now because I've not had any problem with
She was upset.
¿Cómo te sientes y cómo has vivido los últimos 3, 4
I don't know if you'd be able to say
On track.
what you felt when you found out the news. It was like that. Because it was really sad, really difficult.
My babies, they look like me. I know.
Oh, we're still trying to process it all.
They look like me.
And
Seguramente me va a caer mal la ficha todavía.
when I'm going to go home, I'm going to feel still pretty bad about the whole thing. It's going to be the important thing.
Look, I'm gonna turn around for you to see where is Cristiano.
My family, my loved ones.
Did you see? Look.
I get to keep playing football. That's why I like it more than anything in the world. And now,
No poste, filho. Faz gol, que estou a gravar. Look. Easy.
Guardia.
Talent.
Ayudamos a Benjamin con
Come to the Pepe, so they don't need me.
Iniesta.
segurament un rival que es creuarà amb el Barça.
Well, great messages. Muchas gracias a todos. Português também, muito obrigado por tudo, pela força, sempre ao meu lado.
How are you going to feel face Barca in the next step of your career?
Do Brasil.
In Barca, no me.
Fala em português, vou falar português.
I like competing.
Tchau, tchau.
I'm going to come here and like I did here, I'll fight to win everything.
Love you. I love you too, guys.
Barca.
El patrón.
And I'll ask you about the iconic moments when you showed your shirt in the Bernabeu, when you got back against Paris Saint-Germain. Before, I value a lot.
México, bueno, un abrazo de fuerza para el México también. Sabemos que está pasando por un mal momento y estamos restando aquí todos juntos para que las cosas vuelvan a lo normal. Así que fuerza México.
I've played on the pitch, and I would still remember me.
España, Madrid.
I'm very grateful for the entire career I've had, but especially in Barcelona.
Love you, God bless you. God bless you for you too.
The defeats as well, because they made me learn and grow.
Os meninos estão ficando
Suffered that many, but
cedo.
from the defeats. What was the other question?
Maybe tomorrow I'm coming here again, more a little bit,
A lot.
to share with you guys beautiful moments. This is the most important moments that we have in our life.
When
It's family,
I celebrate with my friends, my family, my children,
be serious what you do, okay?
and they're all really good.
Besito para todos.
Adrián García de Radio Nacional, quería preguntarte, bueno, en primer lugar,
Qué
gracias por
mensajes más bonitas. What a beautiful messages. I
In
love
this
that.
most difficult time of your
Love you.
career. Yeah, without doubt. I've had a lot of difficult moments, tough moments,
The angel behind me.
a lot of defeats, but in the end of the day,
Yes.
not going back to train, not going back to the pitch, not going back. This is the end of this club.
Merci beaucoup.
New story will begin. And yeah, moments for me. For the football that you've given us.
E agora, tá bom?
When
You listen?
you talked about Bartomeu, you said you were just disappointed. Feel the same way?
I'm from Kosovo,
The club that I love.
Indonesia.
And
I'm two besitas. Que é que joga no besitas?
to be honest, up front,
10.000? Boa.
leave this year, I did.
Just to
I'm so sad.
share with you these beautiful moments right now. With my family.
People are really struggling to imagine what
Para
it will be like.
perder un poquito. Yo aquí en casa, una tarde buenísima, con sol. Estamos aquí todos.
In the world, it's got an amazing lineup. They're gonna more players will come, not just now, but in the future. And players come and go in the end. And like Laporta said, this club is more important than any one person.
Eso, Vito,
People will get used to it. People will get used to it. And at first, it will be weird, but in the end,
preguntar, Junior fala muitos idiomas. How many languages you speak?
at first,
Which
it
language you
was
speak?
weird, but like I said, there are really good players.
Wow. Well done, Pablo.
It will be easy for them.
Picasso. I'm calling Picasso because he did something beautiful today, so it's Picasso.
Después de la final de la Copa del Rey, los compañeros haciéndose fotos contigo.
There were
Привет!
the Copa del Rey, celebrating with your teammates, photos in your party.
Well, agresiva, eh?
The moment you decide that you
Hello, you are the best. Thank you, my friends.
meeting with Laporta,
Saludos a todos.
said you had to leave. Did that make you sad? Were you frustrated? No, in reality,
Colombia. Gracias por el apoyo todo que me están dando siempre. saludos principalmente a vosotros, mis fans, que siempre están conmigo en los más buenos momentos.